Sharma to share her thoughts, speak a few words, address the parents from your vast experience in the field of psychology, education, what you witnessed today, what do you think about the children here in this program?
Good afternoon. I know everybody is feeling hungry now. It's time for that, and the kids must be hungry too. I'm not going to take a lot of time from you. Wonderful job. Give another round of applause for all of you. Amazing. I didn't expect this here, and I don't have words to say. Basically, being a teacher, and I struggled all my life with the students, and I know how we followed the traditional method of teaching and how difficult it was to make the children to understand. I wish I'm 70 years old, and at this age, I feel so sorry that I don't have somebody to teach me in this easier way, and I would have been more happy than I think I would have been more a genius if I had this opportunity. I'm really happy that you guys did a good job, and this shows that nothing is impossible. Every single thing is possible in life. So you have all put your mind and see how this has gone more into the, you didn't stress out. It is not your grades. It is not what the parents or the teachers or peers are going to do. You took it on yourself and then you did it. That was the most important thing that has happened here. That you thought this is another play. It's not actually playing with your computer video games, but this is another game, but it became so useful in your education and all your future, whatever you are planning to do, it became an easy thing. Am I right? Did you not make it like a fun thing? More, did you all felt that you had to go another camp, another class? Did you all feel like that, or you wanted to come? This looks like something easy. I want to come and learn. Is that the way you all came, right? I can see that, the way that you all wanted to come and take the mic and do the things. I can do it, reverse order, this, ascending, descending, everything you people did, right? I was very, very happy. I bless you all. You're all going to be great genius. And I have no words. You have done something, a change in this world. And this has to spread to all. And I'm really amazed for the amount of time and everything you should have taken to come with all these things. I really congratulate you for bringing something to the country that benefited by this. Thank you.